So I got two of these MX115 micro mobiles, and my plan is to put one of them in this 4450 and one in the combine. And then I have these X-Talkers. They're charging up now, which in the unboxing video I didn't show, but they come with rechargeable batteries and clips. So those are in, it's charging up so we can use them this afternoon. But here is what the micro mobile looks like. I mean, look how small it is. Here's my Samsung Galaxy S7, and there's the size of the micro mobile. So it's smaller than the phone, and that's about how thick it is. And it also should be able to come out of that little case. You also get your mic right here, which plugs in somewhere. I haven't figured it out, right here. And then you have your mic holder, which has adhesive so you can stick, and then this piece will just slide down in. It comes with this antenna here, but Midland sent me this bigger antenna, so this is probably the one I'm going to use. And it comes with this cigarette lighter, and then you plug it into here to get your power, which I'm not sure if the cigarette lighter works in this tractor. If it doesn't, I'm just going to have to cut the wire and hardwire it in, but you don't have to. You can just plug it in. Nice part about this two-way radio is it's really easy to install, and you really don't have to do it permanently if you don't want to. So let's get started. These Velcro things that you can stick onto the back of here and Velcro it wherever you want. So I think I'm actually gonna Velcro it, like, you know, right in here somewhere, and then hang the mic right there, so it's, you can be sitting back and you can easily reach over, lift the mic up, and click the button and go. It also comes with screws if you want to screw this plate in permanently, but there's not really anywhere you can like screw into the interior on. So it comes with two of each Velcro types. And what I'm gonna do, like I said, just Velcro it right here, which super easy compared to anything else I really installed. Like this camera I had to bolt on and stuff like that. This is just super easy, and this thing is super light, so I don't think it's gonna rip the interior either. So I got both pieces of Velcro on, I stuck them together, and then I took the sticky, I let it be sticky. So now I'm just gonna stick it on here, try to line it up as best as I can. Actually, maybe get a little bit lower. We'll stick it right there. See how that works? I think it'll stay. If it doesn't, I'll have to maybe screw it in or something, because I don't know how well it sticks to in vinyl. But we'll try that. Now this radio is supposed to just slide in like this. If I have both hands, I could do it. There we go, just like that. And it's actually that simple. So yeah, maybe I should have stuck it up here, but I can always change the configuration to whatever works best later. I mean, this is nowhere near a permanent solution. We're just trying it out and see how it goes. So I got all the micro mobile done. I put the mic here. It just comes up like that. And I decided to change this to here to there. And then the cigarette lighter does work. If I like everything in the setup, I'm just gonna hardwire this in, because right now it's always on even when the key's off, so you either gotta remember to unplug it or just hit this switch off. So I'll deal with that later, but I'll show you where the rest of the wire goes. They sent me that bigger antenna, but either I misplaced the wire for it or I didn't get one, which isn't a big deal. But anyway, here's the wire for the antenna. They gave you a bunch extra. I just zip tied it up here. I ran it up the side, up there. Ran it up the side. And the antenna that comes with it is magnetic, so I just wrapped it around the light bar and down through here. So in case something knocks it off, it's not gonna go dangling off the side. It'll just be, you know, laying there. But that's just how it's gonna be until I get the other antenna wired up at a later date. This is actually really easy to install. Easier than the light bar and that camera that I installed. So I got the micro mobile at channel 20 and this one at channel 20, so yellow. And then howdy. Here. Turn the volume up a little bit. Testing. 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 See, that connects. And we'll use this one. Testing. Testing. See, it echoes so bad because, you know, they're right beside each other, so. Testing. Where do you want the gravity box? There. And that just slides up on there. I want the gravity box on top of the hill. There you go. That's kind of our talk is gonna be like later today and the next couple days. But yeah, it's pretty fun. Burger 19, we got ourselves a rubber duck over. There's a bear up on the hill up there, don't get pulled over. There you go. So these ones, you just turn this thing until they shut off. Same as this. Actually, I'm gonna turn the volume all the way up and we'll see how loud it is. Bragger. Might help if these ones turned on, huh? Ray rubber duck. Holy cow, that is loud. Of course, when the tractor's running, you're gonna need it to be a lot louder too. So I'm actually just gonna turn this off for now. And turn this one off. Lock this window here. And put the tools away and I'll do the combine next, I guess. I'll show you a couple things on the Midland radio here. So turn it on, you flip this switch, and you've hit this cloud with a lightning bolt. You can get the weather.
An hour. Monday, sunny. High in the mid-40s. Northwest wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. Monday.
Also, this is your volume, and you got your menus here. You can just change whatever you want. You can call if you want to. And this one is your scan, if you wanted to scan the radio. This one, you have your menu. You can change your channel. I just chose this one. Also, this one right here does require the GMRS license from the SCC, which is like $70 or $80. You just get it, and it's good for 10 years. So you can call. That is super freaking loud. So I guess if you just wanted to call, you could do that. It's kind of hard when you're, you know, one radio here and one radio there, but you get the point. So